Hello lovely people, big warm welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Ellie. If you're new, thank you so much for watching my video out of all the millions of videos out there. Again, if you're new, I am a mum of 2 boys and I upload 3 times a week. Every Monday is Motivation Monday, where I get you motivated for the week, some sort of video based around housework, cleaning, that kind of thing. And then the other 2 videos are generally vlogs or this kind of thing. So you may have seen on my channel, I did a come to B&M with me last week, and this is the product of that. There is a lot of great stuff in B&M at the moment, which again, you would have seen if you saw my come to B&M with me. And I got 3 bags by my feet right now, plus some bigger items that don't actually fit in the bags. So this is quite a big B&M haul. My toddler is officially asleep, down for his nap. My eldest is at school. All that's missing is I don't have a coffee. Usually I make a coffee and have that by me when I sit down and do these videos, but that's fine. I will reward myself with the coffee afterwards. So let's get into it, guys. Let's see what is in my giant B&M haul. And you know, I've just noticed something. So I actually also popped into B&M this morning because I needed something, and when I was there I picked up this, forgetting that last week when I did this haul I picked up this. It's a good thing that this is my absolute go-to #1 favourite fabric softener. If you have not tried Heavenly Nectar by Comfort, you are missing out. Sometimes I go off and try a different one, but I always come back to this one. Nothing smells as good as this. So I didn't mean to get 2, but I did get 2, and it will be used, so that's fine. B&M never disappoints for fabric softener. There's always such a vast choice. There's no order to this. I'm literally just gonna stick my hand in, lucky dip, and see what we've got. How funny is this? A bag of Maryland mini cookies, which has already been opened. Tell me you've been to the shops with a toddler without telling me you went in the shops with a toddler. This is the evidence. I'm pretty sure every single time I go to the till in any shop that sells snacks, I have to explain myself and say, oh, sorry, we've opened those, but you know, he needed one. They either get it and they're like, oh, don't worry about it, or they're like, Most of you watching these videos will understand that sometimes you just need to open the snacks on the go. I still paid for it. So there you go, they will get eaten. The majority of those will get eaten. I got myself a new Dish Daddy. I always call this the Scrub Daddy, but it's technically it's made by Scrub Daddy, but it's actually the Dish Daddy. You will have seen this on my channel, on my Instagram. I use mine all the time. It is fab. Let me open him up so you can see. And I already have one. I have a yellow one, but I thought, oh, might be good to have 2 that are completely different colors, and then I can allocate the yellow one to my kitchen sink and allocate this one to the hob or something like that. I don't know. But you've got your little Scrub Daddy on the top. Scrub Daddies are great because when they get wet, this, which feels really coarse and firm, softens up, which is ideal. It's just stuck on by Velcro, so you can change the head when you need to. You fill the handle up with dish soap, Fairy Liquid, or whatever is your choice. Press this little button, it goes all soapy, and you can clean whatever you want to clean. Obviously, these things were probably made to clean dishes originally, but people like myself use them to clean absolutely everything, and never dishes. So I got a new one of those. Excited about that. Now this, I copied my friend Carly because she messaged us and told us that she picked these up in the sale for £4. How cute are these? So they were originally 8, but I got these in the sale for £4, and I thought they would look lovely in, well, one of the bathrooms. Might put it in the guest bathroom. It does come with that little tray as well, so that was a real bargain for £4. But I also saw that for another £4 they had this wooden tray. You could use this wooden tray for so many things. This is so versatile. Your tea and sugar, your kitchen dish soap, hand soap, candles, a little centerpiece, I don't know, but they fit on there as well, which is great. So I don't know exactly where they're gonna live, but they're gonna live somewhere, and this whole shebang cost me £8. Obviously you don't need to get the wooden tray. It does come with a tray, but I just saw it and liked it. There were loads of good sale bits actually. I also saw this in the lovely bamboo cleaning section. It is a little handheld brush that you would use to brush things. I'm not exactly sure what, but guys, it was reduced to £1. It was only £1 and I couldn't leave him there, and I thought actually only even if he was only for display to hang up somewhere with my cleaning bits, then that would do, because for £1 he was really, really cute. Now I do have a problem with buying these, to be honest. It is becoming a bit of a problem. I got one of B&M's famous cork lid glass jars. Now I don't actually need one. You don't often see them there anymore. They are more than often sold out, and I saw one, they had a few on the shelf, and I thought, do you know what, I don't need one, but I'm gonna buy one because I have 4 of these up on my shelf in my kitchen. They have pasta and rice and things like that in them, and if one of them was to fall and smash, I'd be stuck a little bit because I wouldn't have one to replace it with. So because I saw one on the shelf, I thought, do you know what, I'm just gonna grab it, I'm gonna keep it in a cupboard somewhere for an emergency, and if one of my lovely glass jars smashes, I'll know that I can replace it. That was my thinking. So this is gonna be stored in a cupboard just in case I need it. I got some replacement heads for my Dishmatic. Dishmatics are really similar to the Dish Daddy. I guess they're like the original, aren't they? And yeah, my heads are looking a little bit worse for wear, so I thought I could do with some new Dishmatic heads. So I got 3 of those in pink. I got some rinse aid, not exciting at all, but my dishwasher has been telling me now for a few days that I need rinse aid, and I can't ignore that warning forever. I got a candle. I spent a while in the candle aisle. Oh, that rhymes. Because I could not decide which one to get. I'm actually still burning a few Christmas candles. I've got a gingerbread one here. Even though I burn candles every day, they are still going strong. These candles last forever. Yeah, it's probably time that I just bit the bullet and replaced it, because it is February tomorrow. I can't burn a Christmas candle forever. So after looking in the candle aisle very extensively, I chose this Willow and Bay wooden wick in honey and amber, which smells beautiful. And I love these ones because they have that wide wooden wick and it crackles when it burns, which is so lovely and cozy. So I got that lovely big one for $4.99. I'm gonna put it right here in the living room. Oh, this I'm excited about. I actually forgot about this until I was getting everything out and ready. You guys know I love a bit of clear acrylic storage. My fridge is full of it, my cleaning cupboard's full of it. I love it. I just think it looks so neat and tidy. And I saw this. What an absolute find is this. This is the Clear Mount bathroom caddy. So it simply sticks and mounts, so no nails, onto a tiled surface. So my plan is actually to put this by the boys' bath, to put their bits and bobs in. I'm just going to mount it onto the tiles on the side of the bath, and I will use it to store the boys' bath bubbles, shampoo, that kind of thing. And isn't it great? I kind of wish I'd got more than one. I just have a bad habit of doing that. Whenever I find anything I like, I think, oh, I'll go and get another one, even if I have no need for it. Yeah, I'm looking forward to installing that later today. Wild. Only £6 as well. What a bargain. Let's have a look how big it is. It's pretty big actually, isn't it? It's quite a substantial size. And there's the sticky thing. This one I was excited about, but I actually now think it's a massive fail. So I have a tiny little tabletop lamp in my hallway. I'm looking at it right now. It's actually originally from B&M, and I like it, but it's just not right. It doesn't look right. I don't like the shade anymore. So I want to change the shade, because there's nothing wrong with the lamp itself. It's just a plain like black stick lamp. And I saw this 10-inch square light shade, and I thought it looked tiny on the shelf, and it was £4. Oh, that looks tiny. That'll definitely go on my little hallway lamp, but I'm looking at it now and I'm very doubtful that there's going to be room, but I'm going to give it a go. I'll give it a go, but yeah, I'm just not looking hopeful. But isn't it cute for £4? If you've got like a little lamp in your house that looks a bit outdated or it doesn't look right with the decor anymore, like don't invest in a whole new lamp, just change the shade and it can make such a difference. I have another lamp in the kitchen. I love a lamp. Yeah, I changed the shade on that because I thought this, I loved the lamp, but I thought the shade looked quite cheap, so I just changed it. Voila. Yeah, I will experiment with that in a minute. Oh, this is for me. This I have got for Leo because tomorrow morning Leo has a doctor's appointment for something and he was a little bit worried about it. So I thought I'd surprise him afterwards once he's done it, and he's been a brave boy. I'm gonna surprise him with this. This was actually half price. It was like £5 down from £10, and this was also his dad's favourite cartoon growing up as a boy, so I'm sure they'll both love it. The toy aisle in B&M is just lethal, isn't it? I treated myself to a new mirror. Oh, that needs a clean already by the looks of it. I have a little tabletop mirror on my dressing table and it smashed. I know, 7 years bad luck, not good. It smashed a few weeks ago and I still hadn't replaced it. So I saw this one, which is really cute, only a £5. I thought I'll get that, pop it on my dressing table after I've given it a good wipe. Oh my gosh. Again, because I popped back into B&M this morning, my local one rather than the other one that I went to, and I had Cooper with me and he was getting bored. Again, an open packet of biscuits. The Jammy Dodgers in Magical Strawberry Unicorn Edition. They were like 50p and I can confirm that he enjoyed them very much. I think I'll try one myself in just a minute. I got myself some Tassimo coffee pods, which I'm gonna have imminently, and I wish I was drinking that right now. The Costa cappuccino, if you have a Tassimo machine, is 1 sugar. Oh, dreamy. I got Leo some Happy Hippos because he loves them. He'll be very happy to see those. And I got this for Clint. You can tell I walked down the sweet aisle first. And I got this for Clint as well, the Milk a Dime. This is good. I'm gonna try my best not to have any of it. It is for him. And these were cute, little mini Smarties in a little paper bag, and it said they were 5 for £1. So I thought I'll get Leo 5 of those and pop those in his little treat box as a little surprise. He'll be chuffed. And I also got him a pack of Pritt sticks. Not very exciting, but he goes through Pritt sticks like nobody's business and has used all of his up. So a pack of 3 of those. I'm excited about these. Got myself some toilet blocks. Blue is the best. Like, I do get the cheap and cheerful ones sometimes, but the truth is they last like 2 flushes and then they're all gone. These ones, to be fair, last ages. And I haven't seen this green colour before, but I'm a little bit confused because that is a very, very green block. But then here it says blue water. I got excited because they're green. It says blue water. I mean, if it's blue, it's fine. Doesn't matter. But yeah, it's a bit confusing. 800 flushes. I don't know how accurate that is, but it does last a while. And lastly, I got this little gadget. This is the Beldray microfiber blind cleaner, which I would use for my blinds and my shutters. Basically, as you can see, it has 3 little microfiber heads, and then you clamp it down on your shutters or blinds, and then you can dust it much easier. I've seen people use them all the time, so I did want to give it a go. And then you can just pop this off and put it in the washing machine, which is handy, isn't it? It was only £2.50. And there you go. That is the end. Oh, actually having a bit of a hot flash. But yes, thank you so much for watching my latest B&M haul. A real mix of things, but thank you so much for watching. Never disappoints, does it? I've got a few things I'm going to go and play with now, put all this away, see if my light shade fits, put up my bathroom caddy, etc, etc, and have a coffee, obviously. But guys, thank you so much for watching my latest video. I appreciate it so much, as always, and I will see you lovely people in my next video.